Did you know babies can get adjustments too? Cervical adjustment using pediatric drop piece.
There was only you and me. We were young and wild and free.
Adjustments with the activator.